Really a fan of filming
Yeah.
anymore.
Hi, Mo.
Hi, Matt.
All right, so we are going to be trying these Chips Ahoy Sour Patch Kids cookies as a part of our Junk Food Tuesday. Mo, go ahead and you go first. You enjoy one first here.
Here, I'll hold the...
Will you hold
There you go.
hold the thing up? I'll get one. Okay, so yeah, they look gross. Big old green and red chips, and then
It looks
just
like
dark.
a fruitcake.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. It looks like a little... It's not even the consistency of an actual Chips Ahoy cookie. I'm very
It's a little
disappointed
darker
already.
A little darker.
Without even eating it, I'm disappointed. It's super thin.
I think it's about the same
No,
size.
it's
No?
not.
Is it thinner than a
It's
normal
thinner than a regular
Chips Ahoy?
Chips Ahoy cookie.
Okay.
I'm not happy.
All right. Well, let's give it a shot. I'll let you go first. She's biting, she's chewing, she's savoring.
No, it's hurting my jaws.
It's hurting her jaw, if you didn't get that.
It's sour. It's like eating a gummy inside of a cookie.
Really? Okay.
It's sticking to my teeth.
All right, I'm going to have to try it.
It has like an orange flavor.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh, that's bad.
It's like a stale fruitcake.
Mmm. You do taste, like, there's a distinctive Sour Patch Kids flavor. Oh.
That's why I'm telling you, it's like it's hurting my teeth. It's so tangy.
Like, there are the little bits of the stuff in it, and the rest of the cookie disappears, and those just stay around in your mouth. Oh, that's bad.
It's not fun.
This
It's
is a bad
flop.
idea.
It's a flop for sure.
Oh, this is gross.
It is stuck in the back of my teeth. Like, there's nothing I can do to get it out.
This is disgusting because I'm chewing on it, and the cookie part is dissolving, but the little parts that were inside are just staying there and continuing to be chewed on. The texture is abhorrent.
Let me just tell you, I love sweets. I am a sweet kind of person. I just closed up that box of cookies and put it away because it is that disgusting.
I've got a wad of bits of of this Sour Patch Kid in my mouth now. That's all that's left is I can't chew it. I can't get it. My body doesn't even want to swallow it. My body is rejecting the...
So I'll tell you, it's not so much the flavor that's terrible.
No, flavor's not awful.
It tastes like an orange cookie. That's what I'm tasting a lot of when it comes to flavor is orange. But it's the leftover bits that are stuck in my mouth that I can't do it. Can't do it. Sorry.
Disgusting.
Chips Ahoy, that was not magically delicious.
This was a failure.